Hey there, Boots Owen here. I'm traveling and I have found a Miele W1 W1 WMB120WCS washing machine. I'm going to have a look at the filter because I can, and I was told it wasn't cleaned recently. So if I go down here, stick my finger in there, pull that forward, tilt that down, and let's get a towel underneath it. The best thing to do, perhaps. Let's open this up. I'm expecting a couple of litres of water, so this door should direct it downwards onto the towel. I could put a baking tray in there. I could let it out on the floor, but well, this is where we are. The towel should soak up maybe 2 litres of water. Now that's stuck a bit. No, it's not so bad. Bit of fluff. What's in there? So there's something in there. What's that? What's that? Some kind of a bit of metal or something. A bit of water there, nothing to worry about. Okay, well that bit of metal's not great. Put that on top and I'll give this a rinse under the tap. So it's a bit cleaner now. Let's push it in, screw it up. That's it, good and tight. I'll leave that down. Maybe I'll dry it a bit to give it a bit of a clean. Clean that up a little bit. In fact, it'll dry, it's plastic, it'll dry by itself anyways. Just clean off what I can with that in there. And that can go in there, ready for the next wash. So, Miele W1 WMB120WCS. How to clean the filter. Snap that shut. Bob's your uncle. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.